There is a general fear, or perhaps an anticipation, that AI is going to take over UX jobs. You see such headlines every week. There may be some truth to it, but it is not the way you think. On the contrary, it is far more encouraging for the future of UI UX designers. Hello and welcome back to Pixel Dynamics. My name is Arshdeep Singh and I'm a design mentor with 15 years of experience. In this video, we're going to deep dive into why AI cannot replace UX designers and how this technology is fundamentally transforming our field. Based on my experience working with AI tools daily, my answer is this. AI has a limited impact on UX design, and it cannot replace UX designers completely. AI will primarily serve as an augmentation tool, not a replacement. And you can be assured that negative speculations on UX are born out of poor understanding and execution of the UX discipline. To understand why, we need to look at the UX process. UX design is a combination of two main phases. Phase 1 is the theoretical and the abstract study of human dynamics, the research and synthesis. Phase 2 is the execution, where structural and visual works happens with design tools. Furthermore, UX isn't a one skill. We have specializations like UX researcher, UX architect, interaction designer, and visual designer. Now consider which and how many of these skills can be replaced by AI and which cannot be replaced at all. The fundamental UX skill itself is not transforming. The tools are transforming because of AI. While AI is democratizing some parts of the discipline, making basic designs accessible, it is simultaneously setting the wrong precedent for poor design. AI-enabled design is moving the responsibility from designer-specific domain to a universal organizational standard. But without critical understanding of UX concepts, the product will lack essential human touch born out of the core UX principle, empathy. If empathy is the binder, then phase 1, understanding of users, is the foundation. Phase 1 involves two parts: conducting user research and synthesizing that research. Conducting user research is strictly a human endeavor. When designers conduct one-on-one user interviews, it is the human-to-human interaction that yields first-hand insights, grounded in genuine human experience. AI has a limited secondary role here. It can help synthesize transcripts or simplify findings, but the approach must be human first. Without this human first approach, companies risk building superficial products. This is rooted in human creativity. Creativity relies on three components: knowledge, which is data; synthesis, the ability to create novel relationships; and experience, the subjective emotional context. AI is strong on knowledge, but it is negligible in synthesis and non-existent in experience. Humans are the only ones who can combine these abilities simultaneously to create genuine human resonance. Once research is created, we move to synthesizing user research. This is highly collaborative phase, a phase of absolute chaos and synergy that enables innovation. Here, designers use UX methods like journey maps, affinity maps, empathy maps, and personas. Collective human ingenuity takes shapes by brainstorming to envision innovative ideas. Strategic, deep, unexpected insights emerge from human collaboration. This synthesis phase, with research as its foundation, is tragically one of the most ignored phases by companies that perceive UI as UX. Once scoped, we moved from abstract to concrete, the information architecture, and then UI design. Here, AI capabilities to develop designs from prompt has led to its highest adoption, and the biggest misconception that AI will replace UX UI design. However, human dynamics in UX UI process will never be replaced because of AI is only an accelerator. Just because AI can create visual assets, a fundamental misconception is amplified that anyone can now design. But let's be clear, vibe designing is not designing. AI tools lack originality, storytelling, and optimal user connection. Without validating AI-created structures and designs with real users through user testing and iteration, we do a disservice to our users and waste time. Iteration is the critical aspects that bring incremental cohesion. The evolution of UX design in the age of AI isn't a story of replacement, it's a story of realignment. The core of the discipline, the abstract study and synthesis of human dynamics, remains fiercely human. AI excels as repetitive tasks of phase 2, automating the creation of screens. The future of UX designer isn't about being fast with Figma or perfect with prompts. It's about being guardians of human experience. As AI democratizes the surface level creation of digital product, the true value of dedicated designer shifts. We become indispensable strategists, validating the empathy that AI cannot generate. For non-designers, this shift means it is now a critical opportunity to learn core fundamentals of UX design to make the best of powerful AI tools. If you're ready to bridge the gap between AI tools and human-centered strategy, check out my comprehensive UX UI design course to master the essential principles that truly drive innovation. The link is below in the description. So ultimately, AI allows UX professionals to leave the canvas and focus on messy, complex, and vital work of understanding people. Far from facing extinction, the UX discipline is being revitalized. Thanks for watching Pixel Dynamics. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more strategic design insights and tutorials.